me, Angel Cruz, back at it again, and today we're gonna watch the July 3rd firework. Oh! I can't because the noise is loud and it needs to come. Hold up, can I have the tablet?
You can't. You have to let it go.
Oh, whatever.
Your fingers
My
up
stepdad's holding the camera. That was a big one. Oh. Okay, this is starting to look great. Alright, okay. I'll be posting this on YouTube, and I'll make some more Angry Birds and Alphabet videos. I'll see you guys later. Close the camera.
Hey.
Close the camera. I don't got time for this. Okay, so far the fireworks are looking amazing.
And
This
Mommy, I need to put
is
on
the
my
greatest thing ever. So, yeah, and stuff. A lot of things happening. Very great. July 3rd firework. It's very cool and stuff. Okay, that actually was a big one. Yeah, stuff. Oh my